Hello kids, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. And I am Nisha, your mentor, standing in before you. Today I am going to start question answers of chapter 20, Farming and Wheel. In last video I have discussed this chapter, I have explained, and I hope you have understood very well. So today let's start question answers of this chapter. I will write question answer on the board and you have to write in your fair notebook neatly and correctly. So let's follow. First question, question number 1. How did early human invent farming? What does it mean? It means early human being, how did they start farming? Means farming is an activity of growing crops. Fine. So as they were unaware of anything, they did not know anything about any prospect. So farming is such a minded thing. How did they start? How did they use their mind to start farming? So let's see. Actually, farming, which was really started by those ancient people, it was an accidental act, means careless act, which made them aware to do it frequently. So let's see. Answer. It is in your book. Early human realized that plants could grow if seeds were thrown in the soil. This was the beginning of farming. Okay, see how farming started. Early humans realized, means they they became aware that plants could grow if seeds were thrown in the soil. Means कि अगर सीड को ही हम प्लांट मतलब सीड को ही अगर हम सॉइल में थ्रो कर देते हैं, फेंक देते हैं, if it is water, if it is heated by the sunlight properly, then it can regrow into a new plant and turning into a new tree bearing fruits or vegetables. So this was the beginning of farming. In the initial stage, it was means an accidental act without any planning, but slowly when early human being observed this activity frequently, then they got the idea, and the idea which hit in their mind to repeat this action again and again. So please write down answer in your notebook. Now let's start question number 2. What is question number 2? It is, why did the early humans settle near water bodies? Yes. And what water bodies I am talking here about? I am talking about near the river bank. They settled their life near the river bank. And what was the reason that early human being in the initial stage settled their life, means he started to live at a particular place near the water bodies. So what was the reason? Let's see. Answer is, it is so because they realized that water helped in farming. Yes. Our question is, why did the early humans settle near water bodies? Means ki early human being, they settled their life near the river bank of the river. Fine. So what was the reason of the settlement behind it? So it is so because they means early human beings I am talking about. They realized, they became aware of, realize means to get awareness. They realized that water helped in farming. They got the key point that farming can be done, means plant, suppose it is a soil surface, these are some seeds under the soil surface, so small sapling is popping out of the soil due to the presence of sunlight and due to falling of rain or availability of water. So these substitute, these essential things is the reason behind the growth of the plant. They got this idea, that is why they realized that water helped in farming. So they thought to settle the life near the river bank so that water can be provided to the plant easily and it will grow rapidly. And this activity made their hunting very less in frequency because they replaced hunting or catching the prey with this gathering or farming. So this is all about that why did they settle near the river bank. Okay, so please write down this answer in the notebook. Now let's we move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, name some animals domesticated by early humans. Fine. Question is that name some animals. We have to write name of some animals which were actually domesticated by early human being, means ancient people, those who were tamed by, controlled by ancient people. So what are the names of the animals? Cows, goats, sheep, dog, etc. were some animals domesticated by them. By them you can write, or you can write early humans too. By early humans. So you see the answer: cows, goats, sheep, dog. These were some commonly domesticated animal by early humans. So let's come to the word domesticated. What is the meaning of domesticated? Actually the word domestication means to control, to train any animal accordingly. Fine. So some animals, these animals were actually domesticated by early humans. So this answer is very easy. Please write down in the notebook. Now let's we start the last question, question number 4. How did invention of wheel help early humans? What is the meaning of this question? Actually, we have to write that how invention of wheel being beneficial in the life of early humans, means how did it help in the life of early human, what advantages were there in the life of early humans after the invention of wheel. Fine. So what are the advantages? Actually, after invention of wheel, they were able to make clay pots and transport became easy for them. Fine. So what is the correct answer? After invention of wheel. Fine. After the invention of wheel, what happened? What are the major changes brought in their life of the human being, early human being? They were able to make clay pots. Yes. Wheel was that remarkable invention in ancient time, that with the help of wheel, early humans started to make pots of different shape and different sizes by using clay. And after the invention of wheel, and after making these pots, they started to cook their food in the clay pot. Fine. So it was very advantageous and a very remarkable change in their life. Fine. Transport became easy. Earlier they were dragging the luggage, keeping on the back of the animals, but now after the invention of wheel, they started to make a cart. They joined the logs of wood with the raft and started to pull it, and it was much easier than carrying on the back of the horses or donkeys, which they were doing. So it is all about the transport became easy for them. They easily started to exchange the luggage from one place to another place. They started to carry luggage from one place to another place. So it was a remarkable change after the invention of wheel. Please write down this answer in the notebook. So now let's we start to define the following, which is already given in your book. Okay, so define. First is settlement. Okay, settlement. What is the meaning of settlement? Frequently we are reading this word in the textbook, that settlement. So what does it mean actually? So settlement means that it is the place where early humans started staying for long period. Yes. So what is the meaning of the word settlement? Actually the word settlement means that a place where early human being started staying, means वो एक जगह रहने लग गए थे, that is for long period, for long period of time. Actually after the invention of farming, they thought that there is a need of long stay at a particular place. So early human beings started to live near the river bank And why did they start to live near the river bank? Because they as they found that water is that part for that essential part for the growth of plant, so water can be easily poured in the plant, so we have to stay near the river bank. It will be easy for them to grow plants more and more, so that is why they settle their life in a particular area near the river bank, place where early human started staying for long period. Understood beta? Settlement means a place, a place where early human started to live in the group, and they stayed for long period. So this is all about settlement. Next define is sledge. What is sledge? Sledge means a vehicle drawn by horse or dogs. Okay, so what is the meaning of sledge? Actually, the word sledge is a kind of means of transport. Fine. So sledge is a mean of transport, a vehicle which is drawn. It is not started by any diesel or petrol, not like that. It is not mechanical type what we usually have. It is a vehicle drawn by horse or dog. It is drawn by, pulled by horse or dog. In polar region you will find that there are sledges which is not made up of like wood. It is having a blade kind of structure in place of wheel, and these sledges are run by dogs which are very big in size, so that is slipping in the icy floor. But here I am talking about the sledge which is made up of wood and a vehicle drawn by horse or dog. So beta, this is all about settlement and sledges. Please write down in notebook. Now you will see that in page number 71 there is a matching part which I am going to solve. Actually this matching is collectively designed by taking from different chapters. Fine. So let's start. First is sledge. Second is television. Okay. Third is fire. Fourth is early human. Fifth is mobile. Okay, so now this side what do we have is SMS. B means B is cooking. C is nomad. D is cart without wheels, and E is mass communication. Okay, so now we have to match first column with the second column. So sledge, what is sledge? Just a few minutes back I have told you it is a kind of vehicle. So the answer is this. Sledge will be matched with D. Sledge, cart without wheel. Okay. Second is television. Television will be matched with mass communication because there is one TV and it is seen by numbers of people at a same time. So mass communication means what? Type of communication where people are given information at the same time, means numbers of people are getting information at the same time. Fine. So this is called mass communication, and television is a source of mass communication. Fire. Fire is used for cooking. Fire is used for cooking. Fine. Early humans, they were nomad. Yes. Now what is the meaning of nomad? Nomad means the person, the people who is not settled in their life, like who keep moving one place to another place, like a tribal people. Okay. So early human being, they were nomadic. They kept moving here and there, one place to another place, because they did not have any permanent home for them. So that is the correct matching. Next is mobile. Mobile is used for SMS, sending message service. Fine. So mobile will be matched with SMS. So this you can see that by thinking we can match it properly. So in this way I have matched. But what will be the correct way of writing? Don't match with line. Matching will be, sledge will be matched with D, television will be matched with E, mass communication, fire will be matched with B, and early humans will be matched with nomad, C, mobile will be matched with A. Okay, then D, E, B, C, A. This is the correct sequence of matching column 1 and 2 both. Fine. So please write in your book. Beta, now I would like to say that finally we have completed this chapter, and I hope you have understood all the content, including question answers, define the following, and this extra activity. And still, if you have any queries, you can drop your question in the comment box. You can ask me. I am there to help you, and I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. Once again, I will be back with one more new interesting topic for you. Till then, have a nice day.